A tragic and developing case is unfolding in Delaware. The first husband of former First Lady Jill Biden has been charged with killing his wife following an alleged domestic dispute at their home in Wilmington. According to authorities, William Stevenson, 77 years old, was arrested and charged with first-degree murder in connection with the death of his wife, Linda Stevenson, who was 64. The incident occurred late on the night of December 28, when police were called to the couple's home after receiving reports of a domestic disturbance just after 11 p.m. Officers arrived to find Linda Stevenson unresponsive in the living room. Life-saving efforts were attempted but were unsuccessful, and she was pronounced dead at the scene. A spokesperson for the Delaware Attorney General's office confirmed that William Stevenson is the former husband of Jill Biden. The two were married from 1970 to 1975. Jill Biden declined to comment on the case, according to a statement provided by a spokesperson for her office. Following a weeks-long investigation conducted by detectives with the Delaware Department of Justice, a grand jury returned an indictment against Stevenson. He was taken into custody on Monday and remains in jail after failing to post $500,000 bail. Authorities have not disclosed further details about the cause of death or what may have led to the alleged dispute. It is also not yet clear whether Stevenson has retained legal counsel. Linda Stevenson was described in her obituary as a family-oriented mother and grandmother who ran a bookkeeping business and was a devoted Philadelphia Eagles fan. Her obituary does not mention her husband. William Stevenson is known locally as the founder of the Stone Balloon, a well-known music venue in Newark, Delaware, which he opened in the early 1970s. In a 2024 interview with the conservative outlet Newsmax, Stevenson spoke critically of Jill Biden and described their divorce as contentious, using harsh language to characterize their relationship. Those remarks are now resurfacing following his arrest. Jill Biden later married Joe Biden in 1977. Joe Biden served as President of the United States from January 2021 until January 2025. William Stevenson is scheduled to appear in court as the case moves forward. Authorities say the investigation remains ongoing and additional information may be released in the coming days. This is a developing story.